Hey friends, welcome back to our channel.
Ever wondered what people really love to cook at home across the US? From classic comfort foods that remind us of childhood to some totally unexpected dishes that might surprise you. Every state has its own unique flavor and favorite homemade meal, showing off local traditional tastes and culture. Some dishes are shocking, some are mouth-watering, and a few will make you rush to the kitchen to try them yourself. Stay tuned because you won't believe what makes the list and which dish takes the crown in your state.